Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your ElevenLabs plan. So actually guys, first you all need to go with ElevenLabs.io and then just log in to your ElevenLabs account. So now you will need to click your profile icon that's located at the top right corner of the page, and then just go with the subscription option, okay? And you will be forwarded into that page actually, and you will see your current plan and available upgrade options. So that's my available plan right now. For example, it's the free plan, and these are the available options, okay? So to subscribe, for example, to the creator plan, you will need to tap or to click on the subscribe just like so, and then you will need to choose if you want to continue yearly or a monthly. So for example, I will go with monthly, and that's up to you. So here you will need to pick based on your preference, right? So I will go with monthly, and after that you will need right here to enter your payment method informations or your card informations, okay? So here the expiry dates, the RIB or the number or of your card bank or bank card, and CVC, and then the full name on card. And after that you will need to select your country or region just right here. Then just go with save my information for faster checkout and check mark and purchasing as a business. Then go with subscribe. And once complete, your new plan activates immediately. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.